Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. I am a part-time reseller, mystery box lover, and I'm excited for today's unboxing. I have on a new Disney shirt, and I always have something going on. So you will see I've got a lot of boxes going on this week. So I decided to give the mystery shoe box one more try because I believe it was today or yesterday, there was yet another price increase on ThredUp for these rescue boxes. Now they are including tax, which these boxes are $100 now. So every time they've increased, going from 90 to 100, I mean, that significantly changes the cost of goods, especially knowing there's going to be a few pairs you're not going to be able to resell. So will this be my last ThredUp shoe box? We will see. Right now, ThredUp is on my poop list. I've got a box back there that is supposed to be a collab with another amazing reseller, and they sent me the wrong box, and getting a hold of their customer service is like, so we'll see how long it takes. All right, we're gonna dig in. This box came from, where did it come from? Phoenix, Arizona. So I don't know, I've given up the whole one place is better than another simply because I've had terrible boxes from all of them. So this box was pretty big. I did go ahead and cut it open. I'm putting it right back where it started because I've got so much going on in here. We're just going to do it this way. So with the recent increase, not so recent anymore, the months are flying by, I should have 15 pairs, and the cost of goods is $6.67 a pair when you include all the things. So, yep. Send us a quick note. We love helping. I've never had to contact their customer service, and so we'll see how that goes. All right, well, the very first thing I'm seeing is not promising because what I'm seeing is a clearance sticker that says last chance for $12.97. So these are some Bagley Mishka little, it looks like wedding shoes, and they are in terrible condition. Like, I don't know if you, I mean, it looks okay on the screen, but it's all pilled and yeah. These were like maybe worn to a trash the dress wedding shoot. I don't know. They're a size 6. And they've got stains all over the satin. These are a re-donate for sure. That's unfortunate because that brand can do okay. All right, next thing I'm seeing is Steve Madden. I've got a couple pairs of Steve Maddens for myself that I like. These are actually my size. These are 8.5. These are pretty cute. I might have worn these back in my corporate world days. They're like little Mary Jane. They actually don't look to be in terrible condition. They are, oh, they smell like leather. Let's see, leather upper. Usually they have the name on them, but the writing is hard. But they still smell like very fresh leather, and I don't know that they were even worn, to be honest. I'm looking for the flaw. There's like a little bit of dirt on that one. So maybe these are okay. So some little Mary Jane pumps for you. All right, always good to have sneakers. I've actually gotten some pretty great sneakers in these boxes. These are just a little pair of Adidas Neo. They are also an 8.5. So hey, I'd like to have bigger sizes, and they really are in pretty great shape. All right, my anger towards ThredUp this moment is kind of diminishing a little bit. Okay, these are cute, but these are a little big. What are these? These are Bowden. I don't think I've ever gotten Bowden shoes. They're size 41, which is like a 10 or 11. I'm looking outside because I have ducks, and they were fighting earlier, and I see they made their way into the lake. Oh, it's mating season, and I have 3 boys, and they are just, it's an issue. So these were definitely worn. Not too terribly. There is some markings on the silver that I might be able to clean up pretty good, but Bowden for kids, mini Bowden sells very well for me. So I'm hoping these will do okay. I know personally of several weddings that are happening, so maybe someone will need those. All right, I see yellow, and I see a big stain. And these are Liendo, Liendo, Liendo. They don't look worn, but they do have lots of flaws on them. They're looking better on there than they are in person. It does say leather upper. So I don't know, I've never heard of this brand before. I mean, they're cute for summer, so at least they're I'd rather have these kind of shoes than boots right now, unless they're good boots. But they definitely show like they've got some black marks and wear on them. I don't know. I'll have to look them up and see if that's anything worth listing. Okay, another pair of black shoes. These are also quite large. I'd rather have big than little. Beautifeel.com. So this is the brand, Beautifeel. Never heard of that. Another little, just black Mary Jane. Size 42. So it doesn't say anything about being leather, but they feel like, you know, sometimes you can tell shoes just feel not comfortable or not good quality. These actually feel okay. They've got a really, like the, what's that kind of called? I don't know. But it's plain back here and not up there. So not terrible. Everyone loves a good comfort shoe. Okay. See a pair of booties, Vince Camutos. I really feel like you cannot get a ThredUp shoebox without getting a pair of Vince Camutos. They are 8.5, so I've clearly got someone's wardrobe. Francia, 8.5 medium, leather upper and lining. So these are cute. Just some plain little, what color is this? Oh my gosh, I can't think today. It's so hot outside. They're not brown, they're like a creamy brown. I don't even know. But they're in okay shape. My philosophy now with these shoe boxes is maybe they'll be a really cool pair for me to keep, and can I recoup my money, because I enjoy unboxing them. I actually was going through and I have profited on almost all of my ThredUp rescue boxes. My 200-pound box, that was thebomb.com. So when I'm ready for inventory again, which will not be for like 7 years, that's the one that I would probably try to get again. These shoe boxes, I can go to the bins, my regular Goodwill, although my regular Goodwill has really, I went this morning, they've really started to price up their shoes. They used to not do that. Okay, these are Fry. I will say I have tried to sell a couple other pairs of Fries. They're in my closet still that are not the boots, and they just kind of sit. So these are 8s. These look to be in okay shape. I mean, definitely were worn. They have like that gum sole. Let me not speak too soon before I look at the other one. I mean, Fry makes a good quality shoe. Definitely like some dirt and stuff on the footbed. But they're, overall, these are cute. I mean, there's definitely like toe marks and stuff, but I feel like there is starting to be some like rips in that side, but I feel like even with all the flaws, can I make my 667 back? Yes, these are very heavy, so I hope they sell on Posh. But I will say Mercari is actually my top performing platform, and I do not do the $7.99 FedEx, whatever. I want my mailman to pick it up from my house, and I don't want to have to go anywhere, do anything extra, so I charge the $12 USPS when it's over 2 pounds or over a pound, whatever. People pay it like all the time, so. All right, there is a pair of boots. I haven't had lunch yet either, and it is $12.50. Size 7.5, all man-made everything. What are you? Bach, B-O-C. And there's definitely a safety pin inside of here. I'm not sure why though, unless there's a hole. There must be a hole. I don't know. But they feel very like cozy. They've got some kind of lining in there. They're cute. And the outside, they actually look to be in good shape other than, now I'm gonna have to take off that safety pin. You see how it has like, I'm curious now to see if there's actually a hole. Let's see. Is there a hole? No, they just, oh. No, but the safety pin like put 2 little holes in it. I don't know why they did that. I don't know. Sorry, taking way too long on that, but these might sell in the fall. Okay, a pair of Loft Outlet little mules, textile uppers. So, oh, and someone got them at a thrift store for $5.99. So they have a cute little, this metal deal on the top. But yeah, these are, the tops are in okay shape, so I might still list those. All right, These are cute. I have a pair similar to this, Lily. These are Guess leather uppers, size 8. Another great for spring and summer shoe. They look small for 8s, but I like them. I would wear them. They actually looks to be in pretty great condition. I mean, you can tell they were worn, but they were not worn through like mud. Someone who wore them took very good care of them. Probably someone like me who wears a shoe like this literally to walk from the car to the restaurant, and they come right off as soon as I get back in the car. Well, there is a little bit of discoloring on that right there, but overall, those are cute. I don't guess is not something that it retails high, resales low. Okay, let's see a pair of old-fashioned sneakers, Steve Madden again. These are size 10. Namas, N-A-M-A-S. Fabric liner and sock, maybe, whatever. So these are cute if you're into the whole fashion sneaker deal. I feel like you could definitely wear these without a sock. They're cute. They have a little, this thing goes down. It has a little Steve Madden buff. I mean, they're dirty. I would not want to throw these in the washer though, but the little canvas part is a little bit dirty. So I might attempt to clean those depending if these are selling. A few more pairs. I see one that looks promising. These are not it. These have like I hate when someone puts in the little deal in the back or the front. Never heard of this. These are walled low. Look, I can't, the glare is bad. You see it? Walled lefer. Here it is on the bottom too. So these are just some black basic work style pumps. I don't know. I've never heard of that brand. Plus, sometimes when you peel these things out, yeah, see how it's like gross? I don't know. Oh, and then margarita time. It's always margarita time. We'll save those for last 2 more pairs. This is obviously the Steve Madden box and black, a lot of black. These are Steve Madden, size 7.5. They are leather uppers. They were definitely loved. They're just these little black suede slip-ons. So there's that, and one more pair. How many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 15 exactly. So my last pair are some Birkenstocks. That's lovely. They're obviously worn. I mean, it's rare you get something not super worn. Like there's a little mark right there, but usually this wears off pretty quickly. So these are size 40. I don't know the name of this style, but they're cute. They're black and they're shiny. These will probably, this box was $100. My last pair of Birkenstocks were really tiny, and I think I sold them for $65. So these will at least cover half of the box. And I got the fries. These Adidas sneakers will sell. There's a couple other, little things that I think I can recoup my money. That's what I'm trying to say. So that's all. I feel like I need a nap. Sorry, I'm not as entertaining. I don't know if I'm ever entertaining, but I'm just kind of blah today. It's a very busy day. And yeah, life, right? My daughter had a birthday party that lasted kind of all weekend, and I'm still drained from that. I'm getting too old for this like whole weekend party sun up to sundown kind of deal. So, all right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.